Hey everyone, Dalton with Byrider Madison. Another quick video for you. So obviously August is here, kind of getting to the end of the summertime of the year and getting closer to the fall. One of my favorites of the whole year. A lot of stuff going on in the fall, and then obviously as winter slowly approaches, unfortunately. So I wanted to make a quick video kind of explaining some more stuff that we do for customers. Obviously customers that coming in, everyone's got a different situation, you know, budget, stuff like that, bills, everything like that. So one thing that we do here at Byrider, obviously we want to help you get into a nice newer vehicle of your own, help you build up credit, as we always have. So when you do come in, obviously when we sit down with you, we do an application. We go over a lot of things with budget, bills, stuff like that. Because obviously with every customer and every customer's situation is different, like I said. We try to make everything payment-wise, everything like that, affordable, make it comfortable for every customer, so that each customer can be successful, to help build their credit up, so then ultimately down the road you can build the credit up high enough to trade out of these vehicles and get into even nicer newers. But yeah, if you are looking for a vehicle, give us a call. We'd be more than glad to try and help you. 608-663-1213. Dalton, Byrider. Talk to you soon. Bye.